Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another free online course which is free machine learning certification course, logistic regression, LDA and KNN in Python, 100% off. So before moving on to the details of free machine learning certification course, I would like to tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other type of job opportunities as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Also watch the video till end for clarification because if you have not watched the video till end, you may have problems in registering for the course. So moving further to free machine learning certification course. So this is provided by Udemy, which is an online learning platform aimed at professional adults and students. They are providing a free certified online machine learning course for everyone. Free machine learning certification course details. Requirement. Students need to install Python and Anaconda software, but we have a separate lecture to help you install the same. What will you learn during the course? Understand how to interpret the result of logistic regression model in Python and translate them in actionable insight. Learn the linear discriminant analysis and k-nearest neighbor technique in Python. Preliminary analysis of data using invariant analysis before running the classification model. Predict future outcome basis past data by implementing a machine learning algorithm. In-depth knowledge of data collection and data pre-processing for machine learning, logistic regression problem. Learn how to solve the real-life problem using classification techniques. The course contains an end-to-end DIY project to implement your learnings from the lectures. Basic statics using NumPy library in Python. Data representation using Seaborn library in Python. And classification techniques of machine learning using scikit-learn and stats model libraries of Python. So this is about the course content, the chapters or the lectures and timing during the machine learning certification course. Who this course is for? People pursuing a career in data science, working professional beginning their data journey, statisticians needing more practical experience, anyone curious to master classification machine learning techniques from beginner to advanced in a short span of time. This course includes a 7.5 hours of on-demand video, 18 articles, 35 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and a certificate. So how to register for machine learning online course? You have 3 steps. You have to sign up on udemy.com. Then we have provided a link and after that you have to apply the coupon. So we will click on the link and we will move to the official website of Udemy. So the first step was you have to sign up on Udemy. If you have an account, then log in with your previous account details. So once you apply the coupon here, you can see that you can pursue the course for free. Click on enroll now and you will move to another web page where you can continue the course. So see, you can start the course from here by clicking it anytime. Moving on to Fresher Camp website. So this coupon code can expire soon. I hope you guys apply as soon as possible. So we have provided all the details like application process and criteria and the links for applying for the course. So apply it as soon as possible because the coupon code can expire anytime. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Leave your queries in the comment section if you have any. Link for free machine learning certification course is provided in the description. So thank you.